These carriages keep derailing, so I had a look at them, and this one and another one are not very good. Really needs another set of wheels. Because that looks like it's been torn by the track. So I'll put them back on. And I can feel the uneven wear. So we've got 3 of these. Always have one of these. They're brilliant for putting the trains back on and the carriages. Right. See, there's no linkage for that one, so that one's going to have to go on the end. There's one there that looks straight. There's one there that looks straight. That one looks straight. That one's got a kink in it. So we'll straighten that one and then put them back on. That's better. So one of these, they're about £3 or £4 on the old eBay site, or Amazon if you like. Any internet site. Right, that's it.